A layer of smoky haze is lingering over Delhi NCR, with air quality in the region hitting very poor levels. NASA's satellite imagery showed a large cluster of farm fires near Amritsar, Firozpur and Faridkot in Punjab and Patiala, Ambala and Rajpura in Haryana. However, the Ministry of Earth Sciences Air Quality Early Warning System for Delhi said its impact on the capital's air quality was marginal. The city recorded an air quality index of 315 at 11:10 am. The last time the air quality hit such a poor level was in February. Severe air pollution in Delhi is a year-round problem, which can be attributed to unfavorable meteorological conditions, farm fires, and neighboring regions and local sources of pollution. Starting today, some stricter measures to fight air pollution will come into force in Delhi and its neighboring National Capital Region towns as part of the Graded Response Action Plan. Locals will be encouraged to use more of bus and metro services and avoid the use of petrol-diesel based vehicles to stop pollution. Parking fee will be hiked and the use of diesel generator sets will be stopped when the air quality in Delhi turns poor. Pollution control authorities will begin night patrolling to check for dust and industrial emissions as well as the burning of waste. Mechanized sweeping and frequent sprinkling of water on roads to make the dust settled have been directed. When the situation turns severe, GRAP recommends closure of brick kilns, stone crushers and hot mix plants, sprinkling of water, frequent mechanized cleaning of roads, and maximizing power generation from natural gas. In emergency situation, entry of trucks in Delhi will be stopped, construction activities will be banned and the odd even car rationing scheme will come into force.